We all want to earn a good return for our capital, but the market volatility does not let us make good profit in intraday. So what do you do at those times? You do swing trading. I have an image over here which will help you understand what is a trader's journey in the market. As you can see over here, as the style of trading changes, the volatility a trader has to face and the risk that a trader has to take also increases. As you can see over here, a positional trader and a swing trader faces much lesser volatility and risk compared to an intraday trader and a scalper. So from this image, you should be able to understand if you're a swing trader or a positional trader, then the volatility pressure that you're going to face in the market is going to be much lesser. At the same time, the risk that you have to take in the market will also reduce a lot compared to intraday trading and scalping. Okay, this is great, right? Now you know that the volatility is lesser in swing trading and the risk you have to take is also much lesser in swing trading. But how do you do it? How do you do swing trading? What is swing trading? That's what we're going to be covering in this video. Let's get started. Have you ever been to a park? Have you seen these swings in the park? You know, children love to sit on these swings and they go back and forth, back and forth. See, the market behaves exactly like a swing. The market goes back and forth, just like a swing. This type of trading style, where you can capture one swing from here to here, is called swing trading. If you want to make a profit when you're buying a stock, then you have to buy a stock that is going up, right? Say somehow you have found out that State Bank of India is going to give you a 20-point move. So what you want to do is you want to buy 100 shares of State Bank of India, or how much ever capital you have, you want to buy so much of shares in State Bank of India so that if it gives you a 20-point move, you can make a profit out of it. Correct? Now let us assume that you have bought 100 shares of State Bank of India. And if everything goes right, State Bank of India gives you a 20-point move. How much profit will that be for you? That will be 20 points into 100, which will give you 2,000 rupees of profit. Okay, the trick is now, how do you find out that State Bank of India is going to give you a 20-point move? Let me share a secret with you. Let's say State Bank of India is actually going up. In about 1 month, State Bank of India has given a move from 400 to 600. This is hypothetical, okay? So now what happens is that the market will never move in one direction like this. In one go, it will not go from 400 to 600 straight, okay? That will never happen. So what will happen is that the market will make new highs and new lows and higher highs and higher lows, creating an uptrend. Say suppose it goes to 450 and it starts, the market people start selling the stock and it comes down back to 430 over here. And then once again at 430 people will start buying the stock and it will break the previous resistance of 450 and now go to 500. And at 500 people will start selling the stock and it will start falling. It will come back to 460 and at 460 people are once again buying the stock and it goes to 620. And at 620 people are selling the stock and it comes back to 600. So this is how the market creates higher highs and higher lows. So when this happens, we know that the market is uptrending. So coming back to swing trading. Now what you want to do is when it goes to 450 and comes back down and takes support at 430 of the market reverses at 430, this reversal over here will help you to enter into the stock. You have to be able to identify this reversal so that you can make an entry. At the same time, you will not be able to find out that 500 is the highest point. After hitting 500, the market will once again start to reverse. Now you should be able to find this reversal, and once you find this reversal, you can exit your stock over here. Say at 490 you exit the stock. Okay, so you enter at 440 and you exit at 490, making 50 points as your profit. Guys, this type of trading style is called swing trading, where you enter at reversals. In my course, I teach you exactly how you can find these reversals, how you can identify these reversals, and of course I have a wonderful, very simple trend following system which will be very, very useful for you. If you want to find out more about this course, you can just download my app, Swing Traders Hub. It's available on Google Play Store, or you can just visit my website where you can learn more about the course and you can learn more about swing trading. So I will share the link of both in the description box, and don't forget to join my Telegram channel where I share regular updates on my swing trades. Okay guys, I hope this video was helpful for you, and I hope you would find this valuable. If you like this video, please hit the like and share it with your friends, and if you want to share something with me, please leave it in the comment box and let me know what kind of videos you want me to make next, so that I can make more videos just for you.